Okay, guys, I just want to share this with us. This is one of the DOS member. I would like to hear what he have to say. Then we are going to, do some analysis on that. In case if you don't know him, I will tell you who he is. Just a moment, all right? Maybe this is the first time you are seeing his face. I'm not talking about the Kenga. I'm talking about the one, this very guy. I'm talking about this very guy. This one. Okay, this one. I'm talking about this one. The one that is talking. In case if you don't know him, don't worry. You are going. I will explain to you who he is and what I've done in the past.
Your page drop dramatically.
Let me start it.
Your engagement drop.
Just sorry. Okay, let's start.
My dear brother, Onya Polo, Ikenga Uruago, in keeping South Africa.
Jerry, I see you. I see you.
In the struggle. Oh, tell them so much.
Okay, let me see.
On if potata, was it can ifo nyonya no webolo. Now many of you who them the IPO in Ajimosimo critical thinker. Guinea Missouri, your page drop dramatically. In a was view. Your engagement drop to almost zero. Many of you now contact him privately. Now Jim this question. And I'm
Koroma, I see you.
What's can put here? Can make this video where Koalono. The reason why my page the way all it today. Or if my brother, he can go Melamua. All of us can bear me a witness that now onyo puna ne wala vidi beya reatia post you when they make their view and then they get the panel monetized and they make their money. In many occasions, some now react positively, some now react negatively. Some go with the mother bonya we who joy against the person with the video. But at the end of the day, nobody report each other.
Fine. Okay, please allow me to jump in here. How are we all doing today? I hope everybody is okay. Thank you so much for joining me in the live broadcast. Let me flip my camera so you can see me. Okay, this guy, some of us may know him, some may not. But let me tell you a little bit about him. I don't know much about him. I just want to tell you how I know him. All right. I don't know him much. I don't know his name. But remember when PM announced the referendum? Okay. He is the only person from the other side. What I mean by the other side, I'm talking about those in supporting the US and all that. He is the first person that I saw his video. He made a very lengthy video, kind of trying to encourage people not to vote. This guy, he is the person that I watched his video for the first time during the time that Biafrans, start the first phase of self-referendum. He kicked against it seriously on his video. He was saying he's the one that led the allegation that your information and everything is going to DSS. This guy now. So that's how I know him. That's his first video that I watched. And here, he's talking about what he can have done to him, that he can have deprived him of, his chances to make money on Facebook and all that. He also said that he don't broadcast to make money. And in his own word, he said he knows Masnamorkan very, very well. That both of them have talked and everything, that he's not just another IP member, he's the coordinator. Well, now I know why what happened. I mean, why all the effort of Mazam Mekano, all his efforts to make things work seems not to yield any good fruit in terms of the advancement of the struggle and all that. Not because he don't know what he's doing, not because he's not trying. He's tried so hard. In fact, had it been that he's not somebody like him, Biafran struggle would have just IPB would have collapsed long time ago. But because of his, wisdom and understanding, he kept moving. He kept pushing until where we are today. Now, this guy, if you listen to his video, you understand even the way he talk, you will find out that he's this kind of person that can say anything to get something. I mean, he can cook up stories and make it look like real. So I don't know what Ikenga is up to in terms of reporting pages and people, because I think that was 2021, 22. After the kidnap of Master Namordekan, he reported Master Prophet, I think YouTube. Maybe he used his, I think Master Prophet used his video or something like that. Then he reported that page, and he was very shocked when YouTube, deleted his page. And Ikenga did not feel any remorse, if not that PM announced that what happened to him, that people should go and follow him within few hours, because Master Prophet opened a new page. Within few hours, Biafran went there to give, they subscribe to him, and he got more than one, not even 1,000. In fact, Biafran were, they threw their support to Master Prophet, and Master Prophet, begin to publish videos and others onto him, or that's the one that he's using now. But the Ikenga was the person that caused him pain in that page. This guy now is talking about the pain that he's going through because of Ikenga. Now, in fact, let me not say it, just hear it from the guy, because he said he did not mention any bad word or insult Ikenga or anything, but the Ikenga don't care and he reported it. Now let's listen. Let's listen.
Very few wicked ones, maybe 1 out of 100. As a matter of fact, all digidi heart, Kino na mado report to page mado or DM. My cabo, my own brother in the struggle. Onion ne respect so much. Kobe Kalo, or got report to page him. What report to you in such a way that no report to you with you Melo Facebook could you take here such action? Where choka can lose you if any well. If I Melo on the 8th day of February this year, many of us know so Ikengo Lago. Onuma ifo nyonyo Melo na February maka onya or barrister Emeka Uwonye. Ebo wene who that na barrister Emeka Uwonye Melifo Joe Megide barrister Ifaye Jofo. In that ifo nyonya Ikengo Lago newu in favor to barrister Ifaye Jofo nazi against barrister Emeka Uwonye. Ifo nyonya wabu nka ona for in the screen. The reason why Njiga welo ifo nyonya no warrior tie webono na barrister Ifaye Jofo bonyenkem a man for there so much. Barrister Ifaye Jofo mam in person when they walk on a phone every now and then. So the way Ikengo goes through in favor to barrister Ifaye Jofo be fake touch him so much. Melon Jewel the video praise that no in favor to our barrister. Now, in that video, it would be many things. Just what that video, well, not my own personal video may attach. If one of them yes or no, make it
you can explain, Taya. So you can explain, Taya. You can have done what you want to do, and now you are receiving the pain. You see, they are all the same. So fighting for their life. And Ikenga don't care. Maybe you don't have time to listen to your video. Maybe he thinks that you are against maybe the title of the video. You understand? Why I'm bringing this to you is that this is not, it's not, I mean, I know this video is not your concern. I mean, you shouldn't be bothered about what is going on there, but have in mind that when anybody that is evil or wicked, okay, sometimes if you are supporting that person, the person will also do the same thing that he's doing to other people, that you are clapping for him. It will happen to you. So this guy now he received his own he can serve him his own breakfast. Now he's crying about it. Maybe they have reconciled and anything, but this video, reason why I'm bringing it to you, because of another video that we are going to watch. But let me allow him to complete what he's saying. Let him just further the explanation, so that we know how they are, sharing their love just to protect Ifeanyi Ejiofor, their lawyer. Because this one is saying that the reason why he reacted to that video is because he listened to Ikenga, and Ikenga were talking good about Ifeanyi Ejiofor against another lie, which I don't care. I don't give a damn what is the problem between Ifeanyi Ejiofor and that one. I don't know. And I don't really want to know, you understand? But out of excitement of what Ikenga said in the video, he took that video to react on his own platform. Then Ikenga ended up using that video against him. You understand? Kruma said, thanks for your good work, Kai. Please, thumbs up and share. Thank you. You said people to thumbs up and you did not thumbs up. Nobody should be that. You are telling people to thumbs up and you did not thumbs up. Erin, hit the like button. The zoo has fallen. Thank you, my sister. Please like the video as well. Freeman said, good evening, bro. Yes, so good. We listened to it. Okay. Thank you, bro. Abra the best is here. Thank you, my brother. I really appreciate you guys. So please like the video. So let's complete the video of this guy. Let him complete his sermon.
But this one, but that now, it won't anything in that video. So if you didn't confused and surprised, Webolo, can you do cigar report or video?
What happened? Continue. Okay.
If uncle against him, this is Obiojo. Now, the same Kingulagua is some of the people in the build the page here, and I'm a Kinga from the day or start if a page here, no today. They share if you.
You explain there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Everywhere. So Kinga report remo.
Okay, Chine, I see you. I see you, my sister. How are you? Freeman said, please hit like button and share the program. Thank you for telling our brothers and sisters that are watching to like the video. It's becoming very difficult for me. Keep on asking people to like. Okay, let's continue.
Take action to almost zero. Where you're culture now, I'm just an ordinary IPOB member. I'm a coordinator. I'm just an ordinary member. I am an hardcore, a committed member of IPOB. And see, I want.
My dear, anytime before now, when I hear that somebody is a hardcore, I always feel that person is almost next to Mazda Modican. But recently, I found out that anybody that said I am a hardcore, I will be looking at you with one eye, because 99% of those hardcore that we have heard about them in the past, that telling us that they are the one that hold the keys, and we see Mazda Modican see them. All of them have betrayed big time. Ikenga was answering that hardcore. This one is also hardcore. If you are hardcore and somebody, build a platform where you can go and vote for the referendum. With all this, your hardcore, you came out and you made a video telling people not to vote. Even went to as far as lying to people that you should not vote because voting will take their information to DSS. This very guy is one that I watched his video, to be honest with you. He made a video Oh, yes, many people have criticized many of them, not many people, many of them have criticized, the referendum. They are criticizing it, they talk nonsense about it, because you cannot talk good about what you, something that is beyond your understanding, you will end up talking nonsense. And I'm not saying that I'm sure, but I suspected that Ifa Ejiofor is the one telling them to kick against that referendum, because they don't want PM to take glory of, to take that kind of praises for even having the guts to build it in first place, let alone telling people to go and vote.
Nsi one na one leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu malamo foma na munya no kogo omo foma nsi one I contribute to go to the struggle. Ngwacha yoku yoya do everything in the last 1 month.
Yeah, the job for
till today, the king and me ignore, and every day my page now they washed and washed by the day. All of you can see no one was in the now for my post anymore. My post today, the highest viewing went able 200, 300, because ndiwe ila papa able to come to almost zero. Finally, busy can people for my post again.
Now, something that I felt that is playing out about Ikenga and US reporting people's Facebook and platform is, I think they have contact of Facebook Africa. Through Ifa Ejiofor as a senator and all that, they have this contact, because if not, this guy is complaining that his video normally reach maximum of his views is 200 and something on his Facebook. Now, after making this video, even this particular video that we are watching now is now in 17,000. 17,000, and the comment there, engagement there is 244, like is 281, meaning that maybe they have reconsidered by pulling him out from restriction. If you don't have contact to do that, there's no way you can do that. I think they have insider in Facebook, because mention one Biafran government in exile person that you know today that his Facebook is actually pulling weight. Very, very difficult. Very, very difficult to put at one person and say this person can reach. But some of them that don't have that in YouTube, that where you will be sure that you are getting view, that if real people are watching you, not Facebook that you can manipulate and all that. YouTube, some people do manipulate it, but what I'm trying to say is that YouTube is more stronger to compare. But these people, their pages are a kind of, they are doing somehow well. Like all this nonsense that he's talking, people are still watching him. He's having views and all that. Why is it that people that are actually fighting for Biafra and doing the needful, they do get view from other platforms, but when it comes to Facebook, it becomes problem. Go and check all this all Biafran government in this platform. Compare it with those Efulef one. You will see the difference. And for Ikenga to have that kind of power to receive this guy simply because he used his video, even including his own video, attach his own video on that, somehow is very, very difficult to comprehend. But people that know people can do it, and Facebook is not as strong as Facebook, YouTube. It's not. They are two different companies. In fact, Facebook is trying to get to the level of YouTube.
I didn't tell much because I'm not remember because of ego. But if the woman was small, know my brother in the struggle. During that time, he came to resign. Nyabuzi, an independent freedom fighter. Nyabuzi, a member of IPOB. All of you know some then, Manam Putalo, made video defend there, he can go logo. Made that video, motivate Ikenga. Make and your top a lot, Malondina Koyon or Sifa, Fala from my brother, my brother Nishatazo, Boge fail, Maz and Namdekano. After 1 month's time, he can go logo, he shut back. That way again, no one video, what your top pilot, Sifa, my brother. Shut go back. Ono gage if only who no shut go back. I'm sure ni kengu rago na for all my videos because most of my videos na go viral in the last 3 months. About that moment, he gave a report since March 1st, can I suffer this failure in this page because of my brother in the struggle. The IPOB, Anamajuru Suno, or the ma, on Katandi Bonekusi. Now one negi nata, no, Natana Bogi, Omune Wadrama, the IPOB Wadrama. So,
and what is good? You are telling people that it's not good, it's not good. So to you now, what is good is you coming out to tell people that voting is a problem. They should not vote. Simply because somebody somewhere that all of you can buy yourself because of that person, okay, told you people, don't allow this guy to continue to do what he's doing. They created fear in you. They tried everything possible to make sure that you people stop doing the right thing. And you will buy that idea because he's a lawyer and anything he says goes. I mean, do you know that if you actually mean to get Biafra, Chioma Ibe, thank you so much, my sister. Nice to have you in this broadcast. Thank you for coming. Thank you. For you to claim that you want Biafra and you want people to believe you and you want to be popular, you have to prove to people that actually you are looking for that Biafra. PM said go and vote. Biafrans understand everything. Everybody knows what it takes to have that kind of platform where you can go and vote and without anybody, without harassment, and you yourself that don't even know how that platform is being built, the security that platform has, you lie to people telling them that DSS are aware that because of somebody somewhere that you guys can buy yourself to protect him, told you people don't support this self-referendum. Until today, most of you have been brainwashed by that one particular man. You understand? So most of you can't even reason properly because you are seeing him as American simply because he's a lawyer. And some of you people don't even have not talked to or discussed to any lawyer at all one-on-one. So when you hear lawyer, you'll be shivering. Okay, lawyer.
Restore my page because karma is real.
For this guy to say, yeah, restore my page, simply means that he may have this contact that I've told you before. And this contact that he has is the one that is black, he's bragging every time that because if you want, you can go to use all his arsenal on you. Touch Ifayoba, talk about Ifayoba, okay? Talk about Ejofo. You see these people, you can talk about Mazna Morgan and his family, anything, or even against IPOB, you can say anything. But if you see these two people, he valued them more than anything. You can insult Iken Gurago's wife, but if Ifayoba and Ifayejofo, he believed that his success rely on these two people. And anybody that goes against them, you are going against here, Iken Gurago. So this guy is begging, and I think his video really paved way for him because I think they have released him because he's not getting a kind of some views. All right. So I will bring to you what Iken Gurago himself said. Okay, not because of the program that he did that I would like you to listen. Just pay attention. Let's listen to him.
Have their own no.
Okay, so let's start by just pay attention. He started this program, by making a kind of comparison, and he used Palace to do his illustration. Listen and pay very good attention. Then you will understand where the point that he wants to make. Let's listen to him.
You may join me later. Let me say this right quick.
Okay.
In a palace, the head of every palace is the king. kingdom, there is kingmakers. And among the kingmakers, there is a specific person called Ono. Every ancient and modern kingdom in Biafra land have their Ono, depending on the language of that kingdom. It may be a different name but meaning the same. Ono. That's the person that will crown any king.
Just listen.
So, whenever Igwe travels, or maybe something happened to the Igwe, as in the Igwe moved to the other world, the person that will assume the seats of the staff of authority in that kingdom is Ono, until the heir apparent of that kingdom will be crowned as the new king. If Igwe travels today, the person that will hold the staff of authority, if there is anything that will happen in kingdom, the person that will give the go-ahead order, it's not the heir apparent of that kingdom. It's not any of the prince or princess of that kingdom.
Hey, okay. Freedom TV. Freedom TV is showing his concern. He said, "I do not really understand you again for some time now. You have been busy, okay, airing and sharing Ikenga's program with your platform. Ikenga platform cannot even get the views your platform is getting." Which means you only focus on my carnival, not listen to what I'm saying. You just come, because I was thinking, you say you are confused. You shouldn't be confused. The problem is that you don't watch my video. You only see the carnival, the picture that I use on my, then you just skip. Probably you just type and you just go. You don't watch the video. I have told us here that PM don't share or talk about these people does not mean that we should not talk about them. We are not talking about them to insult them, to fight them, or to anything. But while I am bringing some of the faces that we are seeing on my platform, is for some of us who still believe that these people could be getting it right. We know what they have in their mind and the motive of what they're saying. Every reasonable human being don't listen to one side. You listen to both sides for you to make a conclusion and for you to even know what somebody is capable of doing. That you see his video here does not mean that I'm in support of him. I'm not praising him. I'm not here to promote him, asking you to go and watch him. No. When they make fool of themselves, insulting PM, insulting Biafran community in Exile, telling people not to go and vote, yet they will turn back to what they say. That you know them already does not mean that everybody knows them. Mind you, some of us that are from Igbo part of Biafra started paying attention to Biafran activities after the election. So what you yourself know as far back as 2020, 2021, they don't know that. Do you know that many Igbo youth today don't have opportunity to listen to Mazin American in the past? It was after this election, because people were now sharing the information of Mazin American, telling people that the election can't help you. Some of them have to search broadcast of Mazin American. They started listening to that because they were heartbroken with the election results. I have somebody very close to me from my own family. He never cared if you tell him about Biafran or Mazin American. Go and even if you don't like Biafran freedom or anything, go and listen to Mazin American, that he will pass a very good information to you. He don't listen to that. He was very, very obedient follower of obedient movement, P2B. I will spend my time almost every night arguing with him on phone about the so-called election that P2B want. I'm talking to you. So, Freedom Man, I hope you are listening to what I'm saying. Because you don't just put comment to deceive others and run away. Because I believe you don't listen to my program. From you to make this comment, you have proven to me that you don't listen to what I say. You only come here and just say something, then you run away. All right? One thing you need to understand is this. You don't like somebody. Okay? That's a different thing. But using what that person is saying to prove to other people that are still paying attention to him, to know the kind of person that he is. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. Because do you know that they are still listening to PM? They are taking PM picture to go and do propaganda to people in the homeland. People that don't have access to internet. They are using PM program. They twist it. You are talking about that. You said that that you don't understand me anymore. That I'm bringing Ikenga's video here every time. Now listen. Few days ago, maybe last week, I made a video here of the same US preaching to people that PM and the different British Army are tying people in what's the name of this community in Imo State, where the town of Oyeko when okay. What is the town of Oyeko when I think someone should remind me of that village. They were busy lying and sharing videos against the Biafran government in Israel. That PM is spying people there, that the Biafran Liberation Army are there spying people. Do you know that after I made my broadcast, Biafran cabinet began to pick that video to share it. Somebody was here just like you, telling me that forget about people. You don't need to discuss about them. They're just a gunner. They're gonna, but let me tell you, if you want to buy a snake, out on this job, God bless you, Chibike. Out on this job, they went there in that village, in that community, sharing video, and if you listen to that thing without knowing what is going on, you yourself will believe, because they went even a car park, mechanic workshop there. They videoed a car that has no tire, no windscreen, whatever. That this is what the Biafran Liberation Army, Samuel boys did. They are doing to people's car. I managed to analyze that video here, and that video really helped a lot. So when you see some of these people faces here, first of all, listen to what we are saying. Don't just think that we are here to promote. Promote what? Promote people that are lying with everything in them to maintain relevance. They just want to maintain relevance, because what PM, I keep on saying it, what PM is actually what they want to be. But the problem is that you have to put work. Without putting work, you can't pass the exam. PM is working day and night. Do you really think it is easy? Do you know how many meetings that he attends in a day? Do you know, if you doubt me, only I don't know where you reside, maybe you try to join leadership of any organization in your locality, maybe in your street. Then you see how difficult it is to manage people, especially Igbo people, let alone the entire Igbo. Like PM is, do you know PM is taking report from different government in homeland, different division army, even different media teams. Everybody PM. Everybody PM. Why? Do you blame them? The answer is not, because that is what he's doing. He's asked to do. And you want as he's paying attention to all these important things, making sure that things are going well. These people are there, dragging him there and there. If 50 people begin to call you a criminal, you yourself, Freedom TV, if 50 people decide to do program on you with their platform, you will slim overnight. You think it is easy? Even those making a program that telling people that you are bad, even though you are not bad. If you don't have that mental strength, you will fall sick. This one is not juju. I'm telling that your name is being, people are keep on mentioning your name. Every platform you go, you see your name with nonsense posts, insult, 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 insult. Doing as you are watching that, the government of Nigeria are still coming after you. People, do you know how many people that have gone to native doctor to buy PM? You think it is just because PM one day, I organize. My brother, don't say that. So when you see why I'm playing this for you, you have not even listened to what Ikenga said here, and you are here judging me. Why am I playing it on my platform? I am playing it because I know that you don't want to watch it in his platform. So I bring it, the one that you need to hear here. I bring it here for you to hear it and know, and to just to prove to you that you are right for not going to this platform to listen. And people that are still neither here or there, if they watch it, they will not make sense out of it. So don't feel bad that you are hearing his voice here. I'm not here to pray, to say anything about it. Okay, please drive to your point. Thank you, thank you.
But the Ono of that kingdom. Why do I say this?
Now listen, then you see the brain behind the person talking. Just listen.
IPOB, meaning the indigenous people of Biafra, and we are called one family. The reason we called one family is because we are one kingdom, governed by one king.
See, my brother, I don't like distraction. Your own understanding is even shocking. That Biafran will be scared of speaking over because of who told you that? This guy. Who told you that? You don't understand what I'm saying, so don't worry.
Now, in this our kingdom called IPOB, we have the king makers, which is the dogs you are looking at today. Now, among the king makers, those you may call kingsmen, we now have specific person by name Ono, and who is the Ono of our kingdom? Mazi Chikedozi. In absence of the king,
Okay.
the queen don't have the right to make any decisions.
Now he said that he compared IPOB with community in our land. That when Igwe is absent, the Ono will be the one piloting the affair, not even the queen. Trying to undermine the wife of Namodekan. Just pay attention, because when they are insulting Uchechi, Master Mekano's wife, she don't even know. She believes that everything is against PM, against France. She don't even know that these people know her point and her weakness. Listen to what because Ikenga is one of those people that after they talk something about somebody, his mouth is always open. He don't keep secret. He always reveal it. It's not directly or indirectly. Just pay attention, because when he was doing that illustration, you would think that okay, this guy wants to make a point, relevant, something very, very important. In Namodekano, that he called that in his own analysis here is the king. Then he went for by telling you that what's his name? What's this guy name? The one they called HUD, Chike Dozem, is now don't know, and there was a king maker. King maker that they're talking about is the US. So you will see, you will hear where he placed PM. He don't mention his name, just listen.
But not as if the Queen will not be included.
Okay.
In some of the things that will go on in the kingdom. But a person that have the right as the holder of the staff of authority in absence of the king is your Lord. Now, let's bring it to IPOB. The king is not around. Every decision, every word, every agreement that will be reached will be presided by the Ono of the kingdom, which is Mazi Chike. Do you think?
Now listen.
You, as part of that kingdom, you will be blamed if you take order from Ono, whether the order is right or wrong.
So for those of you that are agitating that I'm playing the voice, this guy's video, the question he's asking here, I want you, Wilson and Freedom TV, two of you answer this question on comments, and then I will start listening to what you're saying. Ikenga is telling you that IPOB have a king, and that king is not around. Then IPOB have no, which is Chike doesn't. IPOB have kingmakers, which is US. Then his question is this: if king comes back, if they release Matanamorican, do you think that the king will blame you for not listening to his Ono, whether the Ono is saying something good or wrong, something good or bad? So, Freedom TV and Wilson, two of you, what do you have to say about what they said now? Because you people don't understand what this guy is trying to do. He's trying to convince people to start taking order from the US, knowing fully well they are not getting it right. Even he made it clear here that whether they're getting it wrong or right, for the sake of a king that is not around, you should start following him. You forgot that this is a freedom movement, not charity organization. In freedom movement, you don't wait. You don't just follow one direction. Just follow because you are following. That is meeting a get-together meeting. But he don't know that. So you that is telling people, oh, don't listen to, don't analyze his video, don't talk about his video. Some people do listen to that nonsense and they buy that idea. 99% of those people that you are seeing shouting TVS, one family, this is the mentality they have. The one-way traffic. One-way traffic. No need to match break. Just keep going, keep going. Chike doesn't that he's talking about. How many times have you seen him analyzing what is going on in Nigeria? He don't talk. Even some of their members are not comment. They're not saying, "Oh, he's Odogu, silent Odogu." That they are silent Odogu. What is the point? How can you justify that? Silent Odogu in terms of what? You don't have anything to offer. You can't even make a comment based on what is happening. But you keep on promoting evil. Now in this video you hear where he said that it is better that you are listening to that Odogu than somebody that he said that PM is not even he said that PM don't even have anybody in the community, like he's not in the community at all, where they have this king and the no and the kingmakers. So why are you now listening to somebody that you have not even seen, that is not even a member of the community? Lying again. You forgot that, because if you listen to that also, if you're not able to memorize what happened in the past, you will follow that nonsense talk. Because if PM is not part of it, PM was the one conducting, organizing, fundraising. Even when Mazangano is still here with us. He's one. He was one. When Masakano went to there's this one man from Kenya or Uganda, his platform where they interviewed him. PM was there. When Masakano had joint broadcast with a Bozana leader, PM was there. But these people, because they want to cut that part, they want to give you just what they think you should follow. By so doing, lying to you. Okay, now you are now applying. Onowu has no right to change the law on ground because the Onowu has no right to act on any issue that are not in line with the people. But he's told you that whether he's getting it right or not or wrong. He forgot that even in his own case, in this case, IPOB that he's talking about, the same king told you to give his love to PM. Did you know who will obey that? No one so kingmakers. Do they listen to that order? The answer is no. The answer is no. So if I did not bring this broadcast, you will not even know the kind of mentality. Because sometimes, like me, I do ask myself, what is driving them to this nonsense they're doing? Now I know that the way they see things, the way they reason something, the way they perceive information is their problem. That's the main problem they have. Not some of them, they know that PM is getting it right. But because they want to follow Onowu, whether Onowu want to enter bush, go.
Do you think you will be blamed if the king returns? I repeat, the king is not around, and the Onowu is presiding over you and I. Now, Onowu decided to say to us, okay, go and farm. And you, as part of the kingdom, you think, oh, this is not the farming period. Oh, it is not the right time to go and farm. But the Onowu said we should go and farm. Do you think if you obey the order of Onowu and go and farm, the king then return and ask who order you people to go and farm? If you say that it's Onowu, do you think the king will blame you? Who do you think the king will blame? The king will blame Onowu, and any punishment that due to the decision Onowu took in absence of the king, Onowu will bear the consequence of that punishment. Now, let me explain further. If you were this example, but you can't keep confusing yourself. I'm not talking to IPOB, those who are under the leadership of the Dutch. I'm not talking to you people. I'm speaking to our brothers whom by some, I don't know, by those who go astray, those who have mistracked, those who have get out of the track. They are the people that I'm speaking to this evening. Your fear is to avoid mistake. Those of you who are not evil, I will come to those who are evil. But let me start with those who are not evil. Those who are, let me say, those who their thinking faculty is not intact. They are the people that I'm talking to now. Your fear is to make mistake. Your fear is to do something in absence of our leader. Maybe if our leader return, he will blame you. Is it?
No. You're wrong.
Do you think being afraid of making mistake is better than to take order from who you are asked to take order from? Then if the leader returns and the order that the person gave is not right, don't you think you are on a safer side by taking orders, by doing what exactly this person asked you to do, so that if the blame will ever come, it will come on that person?
Okay. Not achieving Biafra. So the whole fight and the whole contest here is just to make sure that you are not being blamed. Whether what the choice that you choose to make will give you freedom that you are looking for, or you are just waiting until you just want to do something that they will not blame you. That's all. Ah, my goodness. Okay. For those of you that are angry that I'm playing his video and all that, last video that we made, we talked about, we listened where this guy was talking about Paul Achebe. Okay. And for some of you that are also angry, like Wilson and Biafran Freedom TV. Okay, before then, let me read what Choma Ibe said. My dear brother, those God-forsaken DOS are cursed. They are ready for my hand, so much because they know what they are doing. The underground workers, they are just wicked, very, very wicked and senseless. So, do you know that even today, PM shared and Biafran Republic government in Israel teams, media team, they shared a video of Paul Achebe from the US. So for some of you that are angry, I don't know, you guys have power when you see me. When you see, you guys have power when you see me. Now, let me share this with you. This is the same Ikenga that you are insulting me. Freedom TV and Wilson. This is PM shared this video. This is Ikenga they are talking about. He shared it there. So you cannot go and text PM, or why did you share it? Because you know you can't do that, right? But when you see me, all of you open mouth, want to talk. Now, why PM shared it is for you to hear how foolish they sound. Nothing more. And that's what I'm trying to do here. Nothing more. Okay? This is today, you can't guys. This is the kind guys they're talking about. The PM shared it.
When you have what you feel everyone there is in the support of the why? When you have what you feel have what you feel
go ọkwa Patrick Ifeanyi a ga-ebupụta vidiyo ma ya n'oju ebe kampụ ma dị ego ndị niile o liri eri ma pipụlọme ana m eche bịa mee dị kampen ọkwa Anambra ka anyị nọ m ga-agwa gị na n'adịsem Anambra niile ka anyị nọ ndọs na-eze otu ulie bịa mee dị kampen anyị ga-ebupụta everything as the hot ụtọka mụ na eyi nke onye ji ụjọ wee to na-agbakọ ọsịsọ gaa nwụọ gị. If I were you, I will refund all the whole money IPOB here and keep fine over. Get to a get to attachment table. See when you get to whom galo. Gonna push his woshi. Gonna push his IPOB. And like that, maybe person drop what with the Ghanaian and analyze here where forget say, oh God, we know who you are. You a sabo teacher. You will be Dobian boy. We know all those things. Okay, you chọrọ ịkpọ onye n'autopilot asị mana gị na Maria nwachi na-alụkọ and Maria na Udele na-alụ Maria na Presima Mezu nke nọ Greece na-alụkọ mana ị chọrọ ịkpọ onye n'autopilot asị mana ị ga-afụ onye nọ na APC n'anya ị ga-afụ onye na Udele na-alụkọ Ijele speak nna ka irisi ya na ọ na kịta. God for this video, I know man for any autopilot as my enemy. Because more man look at Nigerian government. Who is Maria? They want to tell them, oh, send the register. Me and the live video. It's a Maria Kenya. On Maria, they want to last 2 weeks or not send the register. Okay, it's an hour and a half. Money idea share is an autopilot. Okay, autopilot to your enemy. Money is jelly and the Maria, they want to watch. It's not your enemy. Then you talk and make your such animal, don't you? Then you put it say, once an autopilot. I'm very proud autopilot. What will you do? And I will be it over and over and over again, doing it.
Because this video is actually why I decided to come live. I just want to address what Achebe said here. You know, it is good for you to, whatever you are doing in life, make sure that you take it easy, because you may use that road to go back. Don't block the roads that you use when you are coming, because you may use that road to go back. Okay, this guy have said a lot of nonsense in the past about Biafran government, about PM in particular. But after listening to this video, my advice to him, because it seems like they are receiving it, hot from their camp, from the underground. Maybe he's now trying to rethink. The best way for you to do is to turn back, and you will be welcomed in Biafran government in Israel. Not as a cabinet, no, because that one is left for PM and the cabinet to decide, not me. Okay, but you can start broadcasting in line with what is happening in truth and honesty. Don't lie and forget about DOS and the other nonsense gang of that doing against genuine people. Do you understand? So if you know that you cannot see, you cannot, of course, all of you do see, but if you can swallow your pride, like many people have done in the past, make a U-turn. Because what you are saying here is actually fact. They keep on, like Ikenga, because he made this video to reply Ikenga. What he's saying here is referring to Ikenga. Ikenga.
What killed them? What killed them?
He's talking about the dead parents of Ikenga.
So people committed a sacrilege. That no IPOB, na hide. If you blue abomination na gayari, you be a money and no IPOB. You could go near several times. Any person now support that idiot. Onya who just go against Mazinamnikan, we are confused for nothing. I prefer Simon Epa and autopilot than that idiot known as South Africa. I will choose Simon Epa 1 billion times than working with Chibuze Guato. Go to this video.
So psychologically, this guy is trying to make a U-turn, and he's looking for a way to lay hands and somebody that will bring him to Biafran government. My advice, I keep on saying it, he can come back. He can come back, but coming back, don't expect much. Pipe low. But good news is that you have realized your mistakes and you will be welcomed. I will take it back again. I will take it back. For those of you that, why are you sharing? Why are you sharing? You don't know. Maybe you have not seen this one also.
Na hide. If you blue abomination na gayari, you be a money and no IPOB. You could go near several times. Any person now support that idiot. Onya who just go against Mazinamnikan, we are confused for nothing.
You know, yeah.
I prefer Simon Epa and autopilot than that idiot known as South Africa.
This is a DSS. I said DSS. DOS member. This is DOS member, Paul Achebe, saying this. For those of you that don't know, you cannot ignore, paying attention to some of the information that come from them. So it will enable you to understand what they're about to do, how they are thinking, with their mindset. Do you understand? And don't expect them to always come online to teach you and tell you that. You can also do it on your own. It doesn't take much.
If you blue abomination na gayari, you be a money and no IPOD.
Oh, you see, Freedom TV. This is a welcome video. Be and I like Ihoma. Manelo all Ihoma Poteko. These people. Now you like this one, right? Do you like this one? This is a welcome video. I will. Since you are Freedom TV, I will visit your channel after this broadcast. I will visit your channel, Freedom TV. Freedom TV. Okay.
Any person now support that idiot. Onya who just go against Mazinam can we are confused for nothing. I prefer Simon Epa and autopilot than that idiot known as South Africa. I will choose Simon Epa 1 billion times than working with Chibuze Guato. Not to this video.
That is Ikenga. That is Ikenga. Chibuze Guato.
I said it, and so shall it be. And the whole change. Any person can change your mind because I have known him. He's a criminal. He's a stubborn ticket. He can not alone as the same struggle with all this thing. My motor can share on my motor or my gun and a motor or one of your friends put any motor or my video. Oh, now your motor will look 2 hands. Therefore, if you blue abomination na gayari, you be a money and no IPOD. You several times. Any person now support that idiot. Onya who just go against Mazinam can we are confused for nothing. I prefer Simon Epa and autopilot than that idiot known as South Africa. I will choose Simon Epa 1 billion times than working with Chibuze Guato. Go to this video. I said it, and so shall it be. And the whole change. Any person can change your mind because I have known him. He's a criminal. He's a stubborn ticket. He can not alone as the same struggle with all this thing. My motor can share on my motor or my gun and a motor or one of your friends put any motor or my video. Oh, now your motor will look 2 hands. Therefore,
this guy? This video that he made is a way of knocking at the door. You understand? Open the door. I want to come in. You understand? And I encourage you to don't give up, don't shy away, do that, and you'll be welcomed. You'll be welcomed because it doesn't as long as you can maintain, your maintain the truth. Okay. Somebody like me, I will not be against it, but I'm not saying you'll be sent to different communities. I know. I'm not advocating for that. I'm not advocating what he left for PM and cabinet to do that. He left for different government, those in the government to. That is not. I don't have the power, or I don't have any comment on that, please. What I'm saying is, you being welcomed in terms of people start seeing you that you are genuine with what they're saying, and you can talk, you can analyze something that Biafrans are doing and all that. Not use your time for something valuable than that nonsense that you guys have been doing.
APC recruited autopilot to attack IPOB. Now, who is Patrick Ifanyoba working for? Who is Patrick Ifanyoba working for? Is he not working for APC? So if anyone come out and tell Ifanyoba this, all of them are APC recruited. All of them praising Ifanyoba for this and for that are all APC recruited. So if I not Nigeria, no, if I not be APC, na PC.
Richard, show mercy now.
Na PC. What is the difference between Ifeanyi and the whole person? You have Mazin and the kind of telling you what Ifeanyi is doing. Just under 3 years, they kidnap Mazin and the kind of. Ifeanyi is now the person that will come and tell us what will happen in IPOB. And they want me to look at you and respect you. I am not those of you who will be walking mugu in order for somebody to see you and call your name. Behind a fight to freedom. Okay? When last did you hear we are whiter and whiter than no? When last did you hear it? Oh, yeah, boss, and they try to apology book where did you? Apology book one negative and Nagidia. Apology for Ifeanyi or this thing. Or for who? Apology for somebody.
You know, Ikenga always, every time this guy come after Ikenga, the DOS will force him to go and tender apology to Ikenga. He's not supposed to be here. He have made a similar video in the past. I think that was maybe 2022. There was a video of this guy that he made where he was, using his brain. Then after that video, they bring him in and shut him up. Now, because there's this element of truth and honesty in him that once you get to some level and he will box out, he will just, burst the bubble. And that is what he's doing again. Maybe they will succeed this time, or maybe, but I don't think they will succeed in this time around, because they have been going back and forward for a very long time. Maybe he will now break the chain. Hopefully he will. Apology.
Somebody that can. Oh, yeah, boss, and they try to apology book where did you? Apology for book one negative and Nagidia. Apology for Ifeanyi or this thing, or for who? Apology for somebody that cannot bury his mother.
That's a very big.
Somebody that don't have money to bury his mother, and all of you run. You want to hear apology?
This guy is very wicked. She didn't give me. She had it.
No, you had the camp. My ego ndị niile olili eli. My people are animated. They made the campaign of Anambra Kayono. The same Anambra Nine Kaino. I have, and just no Julia. They made the campaign. I gave put everything as in the heart to talk am. When I Jujo about our sister, if I were you, I will refund all the whole money IPOB in here and the key fine over. Get to a hegalo, get to attachment tablo. See, when you get to a galo, Kunukushi Zushi, Kunukushi IPOB. Like maybe any person drop what tweet the Ghanaian analyze care where for guys guy we know who you are. You a sabon tike. You be do boy. We know all those things. Okay. You try to put your autopilot as man again Maria wachi na loko and Maria na udele na lo Maria na Prince Emmanuel Keno Greece na loko. Man, it's a little no autopilot assi. Man, I have onye no na APC nanya. He have when you delena look up the speak. Na reason yana. Oh, no, I'm not kita. Go to this video. Another man for any autopilot as my enemy. Because autopilot are being recruited by Nigerian government. Why you are working direct with Nigerian government? Who is Maria Udenwa Tijene on send the star? Mean a live video. It's a Maria Kenya on Maria Udenwa last 2 weeks on no send the star. Okay, it's an hour and a half. Money idea share is on autopilot. Okay, autopilot be your enemy. Money Jele and the Maria Udenwa Wachi is not your enemy. Then you talk and make your such animal, auntie. Then you put once an autopilot. Oga, I very proud autopilot. What will you do? And I will be it over and over and over again, being it in IPOB. Send your puppet cabas.
Oh my goodness. Did you hear what he said? Gakko said a puppet cabal. Puppet cabal. Oh my goodness. This guy finished work. This guy finished work, yeah.
Whiter than no. Well,
what he wanted to say is that here is whiter than snow, not whiter than no.
In order for somebody to see you and call your name. Behind a fight to freedom. Okay, when last did you hear we are whiter than no? When last did you hear it? Oh, it was an apology book where did you? Apology for Bukwan Negan and Nagidia. Apology for if I know or this thing. Of
maybe they told him to come and apologize themselves. They're waiting for him to come live, and he did that only for them to hear when he was talking differently. Oh my goodness. Achebeko, please, my advice to you is you should be man enough. Should be man enough.
For who? Apology for somebody that cannot bury his mother. Somebody that don't have money to bury his mother. And all of you run. You want to hear apology.
I want you to see this laugh. This guy is very wicked.
Or for who? Apology for somebody that cannot bury his mother. Somebody that don't have money to bury his mother. All of you run. You want to hear apology.
Oh my goodness. This guy. Guys, I will end this video here. Let me relax. This guy, my stomach. You rush to hear what this guy wants to see. Their followers want to hear where he's apologizing to King and the US. He turned his camera on only for them to hear where he's exposing more things. Oh my goodness. Chideke.
For if I know about this thing, or for who? Apology for somebody that cannot bury his mother. Somebody that don't have money to bury his mother. And all of you run. You want to hear apology.
Freeman, I've not downloaded the video. I'm playing it direct from the source. I am playing it from the source. Let me. I can't get tired of this video, to be honest with you.
APC recruited autopilots to attack IPOB. Now, who is Patrick Ifanyoba working for? Who is Patrick Ifanyoba working for? Is he not working for APC? So if you anyone come out and tell Ifanyoba this, all of them are APC recruited. All of them praising Ifanyoba for this and for that are all APC recruited. So is Ifanyoba not Nigeria? No, Ifanyoba not be APC. Now APC. What's the difference between Ifanyoba and the whole person? You have Mazen Namdekan telling you what Ifanyoba is doing. Just under 3 years they kidnap Mazen Namdekan. Ifanyoba is now the person that will come and tell us what will happen in IPOB. And they want me to look at you and respect him. I am not those of you who will be walking mugu in order for somebody to see you and call your name. The kind of fight to freedom. Okay? When last did you hear we are whiter and whiter than no? When last did you hear it? Oh, yeah, boss, they try to apology. Apology, book where did you? Apology, book one naked and nagidie. Apology for Ifanyoba or this thing, or for who? Apology for somebody that cannot bury his mother. Somebody that don't have money to bury his mother. And all of you run. You want to hear apology.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. We are going to end the video here. Thank you so much. Freeman, I have not downloaded the video. I'm playing it from the source, you can see. So maybe later if I download it, I will let you know. I will send it to you. But you have to remind me of that, okay? You have to remind me of that because I don't have time now. I have to do something very important. That's why I'm rushing to end it. Okay, please bear with me. Thank you, guys. Please, before you go like the video, click on the like button. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye for now. Thank you.